Actually, we were heading inside Sadhguru Ashram, and I am inside the area where on the Mahashivratri day the function is held, this ground. It's a divine feeling. I cannot believe my eyes, and I am actually standing before the statue of Lord Shiva. I've been seeing on TV and seeing live, it makes a hell lot of difference. Trust me. Well, you must have seen it a couple of times, but I would like to show my viewers the way I am seeing is through my eyes. Yeah. So let's move forward towards this divine statue. The whole feel of the area is like you have to come here. I am falling short of words. Can you see? Yeah, the image of Lord Shiva. I used to see it on TV and I used to like dream, will I ever be allowed by God? We all have wishes. You can't say you had a wish, but the wish has to come true, and for that you need the blessing of the Almighty. And I am here standing right before the statue of Lord Shiva. It's hurting me that my daughter, she wanted to visit Sadhguru Ashram, but it's unfortunate that I came alone and they are stuck with their studies. It's okay. Let's move forward. Please pardon me if I make any mistake, because I'm as I'm shooting, I'm trying to I'm just like kind of shifting my eyes and trying to take the view of the image of the camera. So kindly pardon me if there's something that goes missing. Yeah, let's move forward. Yes, you can see cows, bulls, all walking on the lush green grass. What a divine feeling. Seeing the localites in their simple attire. South Indians always have had a very simple way of dressing and in a very traditional way. They have still not yet left their traditions. Yes, this is one thing I really like about the South Indians. Because I have traveled a lot and mostly I have stayed in many parts of South, be it Hyderabad or Bangalore or Kerala. Most of the time, part of my growing up was in Kerala. So the traditions, the way they put the flowers around their hair, the traditions, it makes them it, and the simplicity, the kind of some white chandan powder they apply on their forehead, and the kind of slippers they wear, so simple. You must have seen the actor Vijay Deverakonda wearing bathroom slippers and walking around. So it's nice. Being simple is even more elegant. Simplicity is more elegant than the way we all try to dress up artificially. Now see nature. Nature is being so, you can see raw nature here. There's nothing that is designed. Like we humans, we have this habit of going and interrupting and poking our noses and trying to disfigure the things and according to our taste, wish and will. But see the rawness of nature built by God. Can you see the mountains? The whole image of Lord Shiva is surrounded by hills. I don't know how come I was blessed. My trip to Ooty, and on my way back, I was quite fortunate. Actually, I had a flight to catch today back to my hometown, but since the flight was delayed and my connecting flight was also it was early, so I could not have been able to catch up the flight. So I had to cancel my flight. So by chance, I got sufficient time to comfortably come to Sadhguru Ashram and film this for yourself and visit personally myself. Thank you, Lord Shiva. Thanks a lot. Please bless the humans, mankind. We need your blessings. We need your mercy. We humans have adulterated everything on this planet, but you are so pure that you can forgive the biggest mistake of ours. Kindly forgive us, Lord Shiva, and show us a path to live as a better human. We humans have forgot to live like how God had designed us. Technology, social media, artificially like dressing up yourself, piercing your body parts. You're lost in all these things. So coming to this place, it cleanses your soul, it cleanses your mind, it cleanses your thoughts. You seriously have to come and look into this face of Lord Shiva. Trust me, friends, it seems as if it's not a statue. I feel it has life inside. Thank you, Sadhguru. It's because of you that we are able to come here. Thank you so much. Let's move forward. I wish I could cancel my flight for the evening and stay here whole day. I have no idea regarding if you can stay here. Either you'll have to take a hotel nearby and then you can come down. Look at the valley. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. People are lying down comfortably. And it's a very serene feeling. Nobody is like trying to act. Nobody is like. It's not that they've come here for a picnic. This is not a picnic spot for them. People are South Indians especially, as I've told you earlier. South Indians are very particular and they're very pious regarding their worship towards God. They don't mess up. They don't mess up. They don't show bombastic things and offerings and try to show off. See the simple people wearing simple clothes, simple way of dressing. A lady for this coming right before me, and simple way of dressing. It shows on their face. And today I'm so fortunate. Secondly, because the weather is so good. It seems that I've been told that the weather is sometimes quite sunny and you feel hot. But today the wind is blowing as if God is happy and He's allowed me to come in this kind of a weather. Yes, I would very selfishly say this, that yes, weather does affect your mindset towards your prayers. When you have a good mindset, when the weather is calm and cool, you feel so good. You feel so good. I don't know, I'm just keeping on talking. Oh yes. Gaur Mata, yes, tell me. Do you agree to what I said? There are some young boys who are. Everybody's removed their slippers. Most of them have removed their slippers inside the premises. Jai Mahakal. Please, I would request you all, please, once in a lifetime, do visit me. Do visit this place. You would not regret this effort that you would make to come here. Definitely you wouldn't. Lord Shiva. Oh goodness. Can you see the wind blowing? My hair is all flying, all. Come here, please. Visit Sadhguru's Isha Foundation. Please visit. As the wind is blowing strong, there are all smiles on everybody's face because the weather is adding to their energies along with the devotional energies. The weather is helping them smile. Let's move inside. I don't know if I'm allowed to take the camera inside. I'm not sure if we are allowed to take the camera inside. If you can see from here, this is the place where Sadhguru he does all the rituals during Mahashivratri. This is the place where we sit and see at our homes. And this is actually the stage where all the function is taking place. And towards the greener area is a place where all the chairs are placed where all the audience sits. So this area where you can see the cemented area, this is the place where all the stage is being organized, where all the function takes place. And Sadhguruji, he does the offerings and all the rituals are done underneath this little roof. Har Har Mahadev. I hope you all like this vlog. This time I have no words. Neither would I say like, share and subscribe because बहुत हल्का हो जाएगा फिर. There's nothing. Just all of you close your eyes and enjoy this divine image. And I would urge you all to please once in a lifetime to come here. It's very easy. Just come down to Coimbatore, catch a cab, and just you can be here in max to max 1.5 2 hours. Yes. As I'm moving forward, at least as I'm moving forward, you can see this place of rituals. The Lord Shiva's, the prayers are being done here. As I'm walking up the steps, the image is getting closer to me, but it's difficult for me to capture the image. The wind is blowing as if God is being happy with his devotees today who are present here at this place. And can you see the clouds moving above? Just look at this, friends. Just see the clouds moving in the sky as if they are blue, as if they are what word should I use? ऐसा लग रहा है आसमान इनकी इबादत में ऐसे आगे घूम रहा है, ऐसे आगे जा रहा है. I'm not finding the right word. Please, I'm sorry. ये तो एक ऐसी फीलिंग है जो सिर्फ समझ सकते हो आप, तो शब्दों में नहीं बयान कर सकती मैं. और ये वो लैम्प है that is lit whenever there is a program or on the Mahashivratri day. See these small little children with their flowers. This is the beauty of South Indians. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Say hello. Little girl. Children are allowed everything. They can play on they stand anywhere because they are also भगवान का ही तो रूप होते हैं बच्चे. You have to be very careful because everybody is so busy taking photographs. You don't want to disturb anybody's selfie. That's simple. I love this simplicity of the girls, the way they dress up. unlike the girls in the bigger cities where the dresses are going shorter and shorter day by day. God knows what ahead is left. संस्कृति अभी साउथ इंडिया में तब भी जिंदा है। काश हमारे नॉर्थ में भी ये चीज हो पाती। पीछे भी है काफी सारा कुछ रूम्स है। दिस एरिया इज वेरी वास्ट, बहुत बड़ा एरिया है ये। पूरा तो मैं चल के कवर नहीं कर पाऊंगी, बट यहाँ आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं कि ओह ओहो नंदी गाय, सो नाइस, लेट मी गो एंड फिल्म इट। ओके ओके, देख सकते हैं आप, एक आगे जा रही है, एक अभी मेरे सामने है और एक एकदम सामने एकदम खड़ी है। अच्छा, इसमें ये लोग बिठा के लोगों को, डिवोटीज को आगे लेके जा रहे हैं। आई थिंक टुवर्ड्स दैट हट और समथिंग लाइक दैट। यस यस, आई एम राइट। ये इमेज पीछे से है, भगवान शिव की जटाएं। भगवान शिव जी की जटाएं, नीला आसमान, सफेद बादल, ऊपर से शिव जी का ये स्वरूप। दूर देख सकते हैं आप, देयर इज अ स्मॉल स्ट्रीम ऑफ, पता नहीं कैमरा कैप्चर कर पा रहा है कि नहीं, छोटी सी दिस स्ट्रीम ऑफ वाटर फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम दोस हिल्स। एक इस तरफ है, एक उस तरफ है, दो है। I hope you can see it. Wonderful. वहाँ पे बादल बहुत घने दिख रहे हैं। I think it's going to rain. बारिश तो होनी है। आज हवा जो इतनी प्यारी चल रही है, आज लग रहा है भगवान शिव बहुत खुश है। क्योंकि जब मैं ऊटी से उतर के रास्ते में आ रही थी तो it was getting hot, तो AC चलाना पड़ा कार में। And I was like, थोड़ा spectacle, will I have sunny होगा, will I be able to walk? And to my surprise, it was not sunny at all. And the wind is blowing, and the clouds are as if saying, be ready, anytime I can just pour out. मेरा मन तो नहीं करा जाने को, लेकिन जाना तो पड़ेगा ही, क्योंकि जिंदगी का यही नाम है। All you can do is think of him all 24/7, and every breath you take in and out in remembrance of any God that you pray, because ultimately आपको सुकून शांति भगवान के घर के अलावा और कहीं नहीं मिलेगी। You don't have to go anywhere. Seeing an image of God, thinking of God itself is sufficient for you to get peace. And that is what we humans need, peace of mind. We all have fulfilled all our duties, financial needs. God is fulfilling everything. Some ठीक है, कुछ लोगों के हो गए, कुछ लोगों के नहीं हुए, कुछ लोगों के होने वाले हैं, लेकिन तब भी हर रूप में भगवान की ही ज़रूरत है। सो कोशिश करें आने की यहाँ पे। आई होप यू लाइक द व्लॉग एंड आई नो यू ऑल वुड हैव डेफिनेटली, एंड keep smiling. Please take care of yourself. Please take care of your mental health, physical health, emotional health equally. And pray God, it is only that way, that channel through which you can swim across all the problems of your life. Har Har Mahadev.